Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm giving you my Sephora haul from the VIB sale. It was the VIB Rouge and then it was just the Beauty Insider sale. So yeah, and it was a long time ago it seems, but I had roofers working on my house for a week and I couldn't film any videos because, well, that would just be dumb. Anyway, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw all my complaining about the noise, so we'll just leave it at that. But I did put in actually it was mostly an online order. I think I popped into Sephora, but that was actually just to get a brow, the Gimme Brow from Benefit for my daughter. And I actually don't have that here. She already took off with it, but it is basically their brow fiber brow gel, and she loves it. So that's what I got for her. Now, my online order, I think because I hadn't ordered anything for a while, I was like, yeah, I'll spend a ton of money. But I feel every time it comes, I'm just like, is this all I got? Because everything's like $40, $50, $60. Yeah. So first things first, I did go ahead and get the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I kind of went back and forth on this, like, do I really want to get it? Because I feel like there's so many other palettes. There will be so many palettes coming out for holiday. They've already got their holiday preview coming up this weekend for Sephora Rouge. So I don't know. But then I just looked at it and I'm like, I think this is a really good palette to have. So I haven't even opened it. And of course I bought other palettes already this month. I have so many, but yeah, that's a really cool, that's really cool packaging. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. So this is nothing new. I feel like I am late to the party with the Born to Run palette, but it does look good. It looks like it's fun, but basic. So, and I'm sure that they're all really good formulas. Stranded looks pretty. Weekender looks really nice. Even Wild Heart. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, folks, so add it to the list. I'm going to be giving you some looks with this soon. And then I decided I really needed to try a new foundation. There's been so many launched. And because of my sensitivity, I'm very picky, so anything with fragrance or denatured alcohol or the linalool or the cinnamon, well, it sounds like cinnamon, but it's not, just kind of disqualifies them from me trying, because I've learned my lesson and they break me out and they give me terrible red bumps. So the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation seems to pass the test. I think that the ingredients in here are all friendly for sensitive skin. I hope I picked the right shade. For a long time, they had so many shades sold out. So I picked, which one did I get? 1.3. And yeah, this looks like, oh my gosh, this looks really cool. There it goes. So it's kind of cool the way they do this, but also kind of irritating because do you see where it collects in the spout? The product is collecting. Oh, that's gonna bug me. This shade I think is going to work. Wow, that is some really heavy duty coverage. I pictured it kind of thin. I didn't realize. Ugh. I guess when you get your Beauty Blender in there though, you can kind of clean out that crevice. All right, and I think this locks it in the back, which, hello. So it's a whole ounce and that's kind of handy. So I will be doing a foundation featured on that soon. And then I'm kind of starting to get a little bit obsessed with some hair products, and this really intrigued me, the IGK brand. This is Mixed Feelings Leave-In Blonde Toning Drops. So I'm a big user of toning shampoos. I buy purple shampoo all the time that I find, whether it's drugstore or like Amazon, you know, or at a salon, beauty supply store. So this is kind of cool, and I guess you can concentrate the amount of toning based on how many drops. So it says apply 1 to 4 drops depending on the level needed. Mix with your styling products or leave-in conditioner, blending in the palm of your hand. So that is just kind of trippy. I am gonna see if that works or if I just stick with my blonde shampoo. And then I decided to get the new Milk Makeup Powder. Wow, you can't even see the packaging on that one. I got translucent, blur and set matte loose setting powder. There is mica and cornstarch. I think it is talc free. I think. Let us check the Milk. Did I like their foundation? No. Yes, kind of. I don't remember. I like their concealer. Ooh, that's kind of a fun big container. I like this. For a translucent, that's pretty light. But they do have other shades, so if you're a darker skin tone, you don't have to worry about this being the only one. It does buff out. It's nice. It actually, I can see it's kind of smooth on the back of my hand. That is the school bus squeak. The brakes on the school bus. Okay. Cannot wait to try. Feels soft, nice. We dig it. Then oh boy, you guys, this is gonna be, I got the Touch Up Pearl Under Eye Brightening Cream. I don't know, I'm such a sucker. So it's the Pearl Under Light and Eye Treatment, an illuminating under eye treatment to hydrate and reduce the look of dark circles. Akoya Pearl, Silk Powder, hydration. Way to go. So I got the shade Moonlight. They're kind of all light if you ask me. That's cool. It doesn't seem to have a scent. I wondered if it had like a little tool, and it doesn't. So you wear it like an eye cream, but you pat it and apply it like a concealer. So that's kind of, I thought maybe that was a lot. I'm having a feeling a little goes a long way. So I just was thinking that this would be really fun to pop on in the morning. That way I can look better, but then if I do end up wearing makeup or concealer, it really doesn't show. I mean, you know, it's just such a smooth, it doesn't show up really like makeup at all. So then maybe that'll just kind of look nice, less kind of bedraggled. Me and my bedraggled self. This is actually a replenishment. I bought the Volition Prismatic Luminizing Shield SPF 50. This is the second tube I've bought of this SPF. You guys, that says something, right? I really like Volition. There's a lot of products of theirs that I enjoy, and this one is probably my favorite. I love the Helix Eye Gel. I do like the Ocean Gel Moisturizer. Is there something else I'm forgetting? But this product, it has just been a really good sunscreen for me this summer. Since they first launched it, I bought it, and Yeah, so there you go. I'm almost done with my other one. I figured might as well have a spare. That way on getting it on sale makes more sense. So I'm really happy with it. I did pick out, I think this is a reward point. Long comb, also big. I wanted to get that. And then, no, you know what? It's not. They just threw that in there. Okay, thank you, Sephora. I got a 100-point reward, 200-point, I can't remember how many points this was, but it was the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. A lot of people really like this, and I just thought it'd be fun to get it in a travel size, so that is always handy. I do like the wipes. Okay, that is everything. No, it is not. Almost forgot this. So the Dagger liner from Kat Von D, Dagger Tattoo Liner, I wasn't gonna get. And then I actually got to test it and I was like, no, I'm gonna get this. So it's waterproof. I don't always wear liquid liner, but this was something special. And I'll show you why. If you haven't seen a lot of this already, then you're like me and you're gonna be like, well, what's so special about it? Well, the cool thing is it's sort of the brush. You know how I like the Asian Beauty, the Korean Beauty liners and actually the Jessie's Girl liner is this, where it's actually a brush. So it's almost like a paintbrush, and it has a beveled edge, so you can go, okay, I'm not really showing you the skill of my artistry here, but you can, it's just, oh God, I want you to see it. I'm gonna turn it so you can see the different angles possibly. It is so thin and it has a bit of an angle to it, and I just thought it was so genius, and I'm like, I'm gonna really get a thin line. Okay, look, now I'm doing it. I'm gonna show you. Do you see those tiny thin lines I made? I think this might be the liquid eyeliner of my dreams. So we'll see if that's true, but I'm counting on you, Dagger liner. Alrighty, that is everything. Now ramen for a month, because I'm poor. Just kidding. Oh, there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, that was my Sephora haul. You know what? Even though the sale is over, it's always fun to see what people buy at Sephora. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know you guys are just as much of a sucker for a haul as I am. And I hope you've subscribed to my channel. Please do so if you haven't already. Find me on other social media. Give this video a thumbs up and a comment if you feel so inclined. And I will see you next time. Bye.